How's it going, everybody? It is Ethan or Unknown Coder, and welcome back to the episode of Let's Build Twitter. It is episode 50. Unfortunately, we don't have anything special. All we have is some bug fixing this episode. We go back through and debug the issues with the username that we were having before. We also find an issue with the state moving up, so we also fix that. And then on top of that, we also uncover another error or another bug with the date sending over. So we need to go ahead and fix that in a future episode. Just with the way this episode broke down, or this recording series broke down, episode's a little bit shorter, because if I wouldn't have made them shorter, they would have been way too long. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead and hop into VS Code and I'll show you guys how we did it. So let's go ahead and try that out. So we come in here. Okay, it reset us. That's fine. So let's go ahead and see if this all works out. So we'll just say, once again, we'll do another unknown coder. That's fine. Unknown coder. We'll just say random at email.com. Put it in a random email. We're not working on sending emails right now. It's fine. Next. That's fine. Next. Go ahead. I spelled Koder wrong. Fix it. Next. Next. Sign up. Add a phone number. This is obviously broken right now, but we'll keep that there. 555 555 1 2 3 4. Check these. And we can try to update phone number. Something didn't quite go right. Console. Oh, we forgot to link it. So now on click, instead of saying update, we need to say send phone number. Save. We can try again. Okay, we have a 404 because that should be, no, it should be a put. Non-serializable value was detected in action payload value. Request failed with a 404. Let me double check this. Auth. Oh, I bet it could not find the username, right? So let me look on the database. Resolved. And it says could not find user. User does not exist. So that means that we're most likely probably not storing the user correctly. So let's come on back in here. Let's actually console.log the state to see what it looks like. All right, and if we take a look, we have, let's see, username is empty. So we need to set that username. We come back in here. That's gonna have to be done in the register slice. So we need to go in here and actually use the action that we have here. And what we're gonna wanna do inside of the register user dot fulfilled is do one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this. I'm gonna say state equal to ... state. I'm gonna say username is gonna be equal to, not like that, username is going to be action.payload, and this is gonna have to, believe me, I'm gonna say action.payload, and I believe this is just gonna be username. We come in here and look at register and look at the we don't have a response, I guess. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be username though. .username. Please don't yell at me. TypeScript, I don't feel like dealing with you. Loading is going to be false. Error is going to be false. And I'll do something how I did up here. Where did that come from? Stop it. False. And then finally, I'll say let next step equal to state.step ++. Okay, and we'll say comma step equal to colon next step. I'm not sure how I didn't miss this. We'll go ahead and return the state. Either that or yeah, somehow this slipped through the cracks. I'm not really sure how. So let's go ahead and see if we register a new user, if this is gonna work properly. So again, another one at email.com, put in a random date. Okay, next, that's fine, next. Sign up shouldn't be already used. That email is definitely not already used. So let's see what's going on inside of here. We got a cannot parse date. The date broke for some reason. So I need to look into that. So apparently I have to do something over 10. So I need to look into that. That's a bug I'll have to look into. Date is still broken. Or let's see, uncaught. We attempted to register user, and this is some other error or something. Ooh, this is not going well. Now it's a problem. Oh, now the email's already taken, apparently. So now this is all broken. Let me refresh. Let me also refresh the database real quick. All right, let's try again. So we'll say unknown. I need to write down the bug, and then we'll say email at email.com. Put in a date after 10 apparently, because it breaks if it's not after 10. Next. Again, we have another issue, but whatever. Okay, for some reason, ooh, I know what it is. It's probably in the reducer. Yeah. So let's pop this back open. So it's gonna be, I don't know if it's this or if it's, oh, it's this. So we say step +1. That's definitely the issue. So it's scuffed again. Let me restart the server once again. You can still say unknown. We'll say Koder. Email is mail@mail.com. Okay. Say October 7, 1999. Next. Sign up. That's definitely not it. Really. Even this one's broken. So I need to look into that. There we go. Okay, that's all I care about. So now I want to see is username. Okay, username set up correctly. So there's a couple of bugs we need to fix here. And if I put a phone number in, 555-555-1234, and do this, update, and nothing happened. Let's check the database. There is a phone number. Okay, so it just didn't go to the next step for some reason. So let's do a debug on that. So we called next step. Step is equal to next step, and that's unfulfilled. So that should go to the next step. So why did you not go to the next step? Let's see. Let's take a look at the state. So state, look in here. Step still says 4. I don't know if this is the updated state or not. This is only watching for phone code and phone number, not the state change. That definitely should have changed the state. Register slice. Oh, we forgot to return the state here. That's why. Return state, save. So now we gotta make another one. Let's try one more time. Unknown coder. We'll say email to @mail.com. Pass in October. Pass in 12. Pass in I guess to 1999. Next. Sign up. Okay, that's fine. Our thing is there. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. Do this, we can do this, hit next, and we're on the next step. And we are on, didn't reload this again, but everything's working out as we expect. Unfortunately, that's going to be it for today. If you guys enjoyed, please stick around for the next episode by hitting that subscribe button. You'll know exactly when it comes out, especially with that bell icon. If you did enjoy the content today, be sure to leave a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, leave a thumbs down. Either way, it helps out with the algorithm all the same. And finally, if you have any suggestions or feedback for me, make sure you leave a comment down below. With that being said, I appreciate you all for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.